Today we are going to make a Neapolitan pizza using all-purpose flour. At the end of this video, I am going to rate if all-purpose flour is good enough to make Napolitana pizza dough. First, we are going to stretch our dough the way Napolitana do. Starting from the center, we are going to push the air to each side of the dough. Napolitana pizza are known to have airy crust, so we must avoid breaking the air as much as possible. Let's add now the sauce, cheese and other toppings. I am baking it with a temperature of 470 up to 500 degrees. The pizza appearance are not that far from Napolitana pizza. I will rate the appearance 9/10. Taste 9/10. Can you use all-purpose flour in making Napolitana pizza? Yes, but if you have high gluten flour available, that would be better.